Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbiri.com. Today I am going to show you how to create global group in Windows Server 2016. So go to your Active Directory domain controller page, go to run, here write dsa.msc, then click OK. Then come your Active Directory users and computer dialog box here. First right click here user, then go new, then here see click group. This is new object group dialog box. You write here group name. One company have many department, so now I showing you one group. Like this way you can create one more group and department. So I write here IT Tech BD, this is group name, and group type is security. This is group scope, domain, local, global or universal. This is global group. Group scope check mark global, and group type security type. So then click you see already created a group. Group icon is double people showing here, you see, and user only one people showing. Dear listener, our user group global group created already finished. Now we need which user we want to add under this group. So first, I want to take this user under this group. Do it. So right click this user, and here you click add to group. You see here come select group, dialog box come, here you click object type. There are two check mark built-in in security principle, so we need add group for this user. So you uncheck this one, then click OK. Location, where you find user server, this location you select, click location IT Tech BD. Our domain name IT Tech BD, this IT Tech BD under find this user. So this is by default come from the location path, this one ittechbd.com. Now click advanced, then click find now. See under all groups showing here we created global group IT Tech BD. So select this one, then click OK, then come IT Tech BD group here, then click OK. The here showing Active Directory domain services dialog box showing message, the add to group operation was successfully complete. Then click OK. Now this user perfectly added or not under this global group. How can you check? Just you double click click your global group IT Tech BD, then come IT Tech BD group properties. Here you click member. You see this member, this group under already Edwin user add. So if you want to add one more user, so you can click here add, then object type. Here we need add user, you uncheck this one, select user, then click OK. Location IT Tech BD, then click advanced, click find now. Here you see our created all users showing here. So I want to add this user also. All user, you press Ctrl from your keyboard, then select this user, then click OK. See all my selected user come here, then click OK. Then this group under already added one more user, then click apply, then OK. So now our global group IT Tech BD under already added user. How can add user? I already showing you. So I showing you only for IT Tech BD. So one company have more department, and department means one group. So if HR department, you can create HR group for HR department. For accounts, you can create accounts department group. For planning department, you can create planning department group. For operation department, you can create operation department group. Like this, you employ 100 employee which department work, then like this you create group and say add, and which department which user work, then you account group under you add account user. So how can create global group? I already showing you. Like this way you can create global group, then add user. Now I said if I set permission on global group IT Tech BD, then all user one time setting this permission on all of user. So this is benefit creating users. So like this way you can do and create user and create global group and add user. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. Later I will show you how to set permission on group or user. Thanks for watching.